Stem cells possess an extraordinary ability to continuously divide and renew themselves, allowing for a consistent generation of fresh cells required for both growth and maintenance within our bodies. This remarkable characteristic ensures that our body always maintains a steady supply of new cells, which are essential in supporting healthy development and ensuring proper functioning of various body parts and tissues. However, the number and function of stem cells in the body generally decrease with aging. This decline is a natural part of the aging process and can vary among individuals. It has been observed that both the quantity and quality of stem cells diminish as people get older, leading to reduced regenerative capacity and potential impairments in tissue repair. It therefore becomes increasingly important to maintain a healthy lifestyle to increase the number of stem cells available to remain healthy and to recover from illness. The most affordable way is to exercise regularly, get plenty of sleep, and increase the release of your stem cells with a good quality stem cell supplement. Cerule is a trusted brand offering a 30-day money-back guarantee when you try them out. To get your supply, check the link in the description.